How's your day going so far? Mine is going pretty well. I don't know why I got like a wheeze in my throat and I'm coughing a little bit. Non-productive cough. So, y'all pray for me. I was out yesterday. Okay, this is my outfit of the day. That's right, I didn't do no wig Wednesday yesterday. This is Thursday. I get my days mixed up. Okay, my hair, and I didn't comb it today. I just put some gel right here and brushed it. And I had this ball already. Caftan came from Amazon. And it's one size fits all, or fits most. So, I can fit in a extra large to 1X. So, I think if you're up to 4X, it'll probably fit. Because the seams are out here. And it's kind of short on me because I'm 5'9.5" inches tall. So, let me get my pose on. So this is what I've been wearing around the house. My different caftans that I don't know what I was saving them for. My daughter bought me a bunch of them, and then I bought quite a few. And I love animal print, so several of them have animal print in different colors. So, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a nice comment, give me a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. Stay in and stay safe. I'm sounding kind of hoarse. Stay in and stay safe. And several of you all have suggested that I switch to a drive-through pharmacy. I'm going to do that. I hadn't even thought of it. Even though I know Walgreens, they have a drive-through pharmacy. So I'm going to switch my medications to go there. Okay. Thank you for your suggestions. And I'm asking for your prayer. Okay. Be blessed. Bye.